question number 3rd, we have given the circumferences of the 3 circles. There are also 3 parts, and in all these 3 parts we have given the circumferences of the circles, and we have to find out their radius and diameter. So let us start with the first part. In this part, the circumference is given 198 centimeters. We have to find the radius and the diameter of this circle. Now, if we apply the formula C is equal to pi d, then what will we get? We will get the value for d. And if we divide that value by 2, what will we get? We will get our radius. And if we apply the formula C is equal to 2 pi r, then what will we get? Our radius. And if we multiply that with 2, we will get our diameter. So we can apply both the formulas, either C equals to pi d or C equals to 2 pi r. In this question, let us apply the formula for d. So we will apply here the formula C is equal to pi d. Now, in our solution, we will write here C is equal to pi d. Now, what is the value of C? It is given already, that is 198 centimeters. So here 198 equals to pi 22 by 7, and d we don't know, we have to find out. So here just d. Now you have completely understood how this happens. You can do this or not. You have to isolate this d, but you cannot do this like this. You have to write this 198 first here, and then you have to take this value to the other side of equal to. So you have to write here 198 into this 7 upon 22. If you write like this, then this will be wrong. You have to write it like this. You have to write the number after equal to at first in this side. So here d will be equal to 198 into 7 upon 22. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 1 carry, again 2 nines are 18, and here 11 ones are 11 and 11 nines are 99, and 9 into 7 are left in the numerator. So d will be 63 centimeter. So our first part of the answer is d equals to 63 centimeter. So here we will write d equals to 63 centimeter. Now, is our answer completed? No, because we have left r. We have to find the value of r. Now we know the value of d. Then what will be the value of r? If we divide this value by 2, because diameter is always double of radius, then radius will be the half of the diameter. So in the next step we will write radius is always d by 2. And what is d? 63 upon 2. And the value of 63 upon 2? 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. 1 remainder, and 1 cannot be divided by 2. That's why a point here. And 2 5s are 10. So our radius will be 31.5 centimeter. So our final answer for radius is 31.5 centimeters. Understood? क्या किया हमने? We have given circumference. We have to find out radius and diameter. First, we will apply the formula for circumference. That is C is equals to pi d. We can apply here C is equal to 2 pi r also. That will we do in the next part. Now C is 198, pi 22 by 7, D. We don't know D, that's why we will simply write here D. Now D here 198 into 7 upon 22. After solving these we get 9 into 7 in denominator and D is 63 centimeter. But the radius is always half of the diameter. That's why radius will be 63 by 2 and the answer for the radius is 31.5 centimeter. So the circle which is having circumference of 198 centimeter, it will have the radius of 31.5 centimeter and diameter 63 centimeter. Now the second part of the question. In the second part, circumference is equal to 616 centimeter and we have to find out the radius and the diameter. In this part, let us apply the formula C is equal to 2 pi r. इससे आप समझ जाएंगे कि दोनों फॉर्मूलों को अप्लाई करके हम किस तरह क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. C is equal to 2 pi r. Now what is C? 616 equals to 2 as it is. What is pi? 22 by 7. And what is r? We don't have the value of r. That's why r will be simply written here. Now we have to isolate this r. So we will take all these values to the opposite side. And 616 will come at first. 616. This 7 is here in division. That's why it will go in multiplication and 2 into 22 in division. Now we can divide this 616 by 2, but if we look at this number 616 and 22, we think that 22 and 616 both can be divided by 11. So we will directly divide it by 11. 11 2s are 22. 11 5s are 55. 6 remainder. And 11 6s are 66. Now this 56 can be divided by 2. Yes. 2 1s are 6, 2 and 2 28s are 56. Now this 28 can be divided by 2. Yes. 2 1s are 2 and 2 14s are 28. So what we have left with in the numerators? 40 into 7. And what is the value of 14 into 7? That is 98. So our radius for the circle which is having circumference 616 centimeter will be 98 centimeter. It is our required radius. अब हमें diameter भी find out करना है and the diameter is always 2 times of the radius. That's why diameter will be 2r. It means 2 into r and r is 98. So our diameter will be 98 into 2, that is 196 centimeters. What is diameter? It is 196 centimeters. So students, what we have done in this question? In question number 1, both were the same questions, but in question number 1 we have applied this formula and in question number 2 we have applied this formula to make you understand that you can solve this type of question with the help of both the formulas. Now let's move to our third part. What is third part? In third part we have given the circumference 72.6 meters. We have to find out the radius and the diameter. Again you can apply either the formula C is equal to pi d and or the formula C is equal to 2 pi r. Let's start our solution. And we will start with C is equal to pi d. Now C 72.6 equals to pi 22 upon 7 and d, we do not have the value of d. Now d will be equal to 72 2.6 into 7 upon 22. Now again, if we remove this decimal, 1 0 will come here because after decimal there is only one digit. So let's remove this decimal and place 0 here. Now we can divide 726 and 220 by 2. So let's divide it. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 3s are 6, 1 remainder, 2 6s are 12 and 2 3s are 6. Again 363 and 110 can be divided by 11. So here 11 1s are 11 and 0, 11 3s are 33, 3 remainder, again 11 3s are 33. Now in the next step, d is equal to 33 into 7 are left in the numerator and 10 in the denominator. Now here we can again do two things. We can divide 33 by 10 and get 3.3 and then multiply that 3.3 by 7. We will find our answer. Or we can multiply these two and whatever the answer comes, that answer will be divided by 10. So here let's multiply this. 7 3s are 21. 2 carry. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2, 23 upon 10. And if 10 is in denominator, then d will be equal to 23.1 because 231 upon 10 is equal to 23.1 and the unit will be meters. Why meters? Because circumference is given in meters. So we are having our diameter as 23.1 meters. Now we have to find the value of radius. And what is the value of radius? Radius is always half of the diameter. And what is 23.1? It is our diameter. So we would have to divide this diameter by 2 for getting our radius. Now 23.1 upon 2. Now how to be divide this? How to divide this? 23.1 upon 2. Let's remove this decimal from here and we will get 20. Now just divide 231 upon 2. Yeah. Or we can write this 231 upon 2 into 10. And 2 into 10 will be equal to 20. Now just divide this 231 by 2. On dividing this 231 by 2, what we get? 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Again 2 1s are 2. 1 is remainder 11. 2 5s are 10. 0.2 5s are 10. But 115.5 and 10 is in denominator. Again we remove this decimal and we get a 0 here. So our answer will be 11.55 meter for our radius. So our value for diameter is 23.1 meters and our value for radius is 11.55 meter. And this is the final answer of this question. In this question, we have put the value of circumference 22 by 7 as it is and d. We don't have d, we have to find out the value of d. Now after solving we get d as 23.1 meter. But for finding the radius we have to divide this d by 2. So we divided 23.1 by 2 and we get 11.55 as our radius. So this third question is completed in which the circumferences were given and we had to find out the radius and diameter. Now let's move to fourth question of the exercise.
A lot of students waste their precious time watching cartoons, movies, reality shows on TV. Then they waste their time on social networking sites. When the students sit to study, they are unable to concentrate to get your studies finished and they get low marks in exams. Parents shell out tons of money from their pockets for coaching classes. But who knows what is taught in these classes? Teachers at times get bugged up when you ask them questions. YouTube has a lot of information but little of use. This is where Study Spectrum TV channel comes in picture. Every chapter explained by different teachers with different examples and repeat telecasts. We remember 20% of the audio ads we hear, 30% of the printed items we see. But we remember 70% of the audio visuals. That is why video teaching is a powerful medium to learn. After watching Study Spectrum TV channel, you get a peaceful sleep with no tensions and no worries. You devote less time towards your studies and you get better marks in your exams. Visit us on www.studyspectrum.com. Follow us on Facebook. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe for Study Spectrum TV channel and keep edifying.
So our calculation for 145.2 into 50 becomes 0 as it is, 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 5 5s are 26, 25 plus 1, 26. So students, our calculation becomes like this: 0 as it is, 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 1, 26, 2 carry, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2, 22, again 2 carry, and 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2, 7, and this decimal will come here. So our cost for fencing the whole circular place will be rupees 7260. This will come in the unit of rupees because we have found out the cost of fencing the place for 3 rounds, and this is our answer for this question. Now let's move to the question number 5th. Now in question number 5th, it is given a bus is having the wheels of diameter 0.7 meter. एक बस है that is having the wheels of diameter 0.7 meter. We have asked how many times must the wheels rotate to cover a distance of 22 kilometers. You remember example number 5th? In example number 5th, we have done the same thing. In that question, we have given a bullock cart and a distance of 1.1 kilometer. Here, we have given a bus whose wheel having a diameter of 0.7 meter, and how many times they will rotate to cover a distance 22 kilometers. What we have to find? We have to find the number of rotations to cover 22 kilometers. In that question, example number 5, I have told you the wheels are in the shape of a circle. The wheels are circular and their circumference will be equal to the one rotation of wheel. The whole circumference will be equal to the one rotation of wheel. And we multiply, if we multiply the number of rotations into the circumference, what we get? We get the distance covered by the wheels. Here, what will be our statement? The circumference of wheel into number of rotations will be equal to distance covered. The circumference of wheel into number of rotations will be equal to the distance covered by the wheel. But here we don't have the circumference of wheel. The circumference is not given, only the diameter is given. So we will have to find out the circumference. Let us denote this equation as question number 1. And let us move to find the circumference. Now circumference is 2 pi r, but here we would use the formula pi d because diameter is given. So here C is equal to pi d. That is equal to 22 by 7 into what is d? 0.7. Now this will be 0.1 and our C will be 22 into 0.1. 22 ones are 22 and this decimal will come here. So our C means circumference of the wheel of the bus will be equal to 2.2 meters. Now we have circumference. Next, number of rotations. We don't have number of rotations because we have to find out the number of rotations to cover a distance of 22 kilometers. Means we have given the distance covered. So let's put the values given in the equation number 1. Now from equation number 1. What is equation number 1? Circumference into number of rotations equals to distance covered. Now circumference is what? 2.2. So here we will write 2.2 equals to into number of rotations. We do not have number of rotation, so it will become as it is. Number of rotations. And the distance covered. Distance is 22 km given, but it is in kilometers. And our diameter was given in meters. In example number 5, I have told you that if there are two dimensions and both are in different units, so you must convert them in the same unit. If here is meter, so you have to convert either this meter to kilometer or this kilometer to meter. Here it will be convenient to us to change this kilometer into meters. So here what is distance covered? 22 kilometer. But after converting it into the meters, it will be 22,000 meters because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Here we can write in brackets 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Understood? Now in the next step we have to find out the value of number of rotations. So we will put number of rotations to the left hand side of equal to only, and we would take this 2.2 to the right hand side. So here number of rotations will be equal to this 22,000 will come at first, and this 2.2 will go in the upon of 22,000. It will be divided by 22,000 because 2.2 is here with multiplication operation. Then after going to the right hand side, it will work with the division operation. So here 22,000 upon 2.2. Now if we remove this decimal, we have to put a 0 there. Now in the next step we have 22 and 4 zeros. It means 20,000 upon 22. Here we can simply divide 22 by 22. 22 ones are 22, 22 ones are 22, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have number of rotations is equal to 10,000. What does it mean? It means the wheels of bus must rotate 10,000 times to cover a distance of 22 kilometers. अगर बस को 22 kilometers की distance को cover करना है, then the wheels must rotate 10,000 times. So this is our required answer. 10,000